Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because it's time to open up my Stitch Fix box for the month of September. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box, and then Stitch Fix will keep that $20 fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix is now doing a fix preview, and so you'll get an email with 10 items for you to preview and look at and decide if you want to keep anything from that preview to put into your box. And so I think for this box, I selected 3 items from my fix preview. So this box for me is going to be a fall transition box. Where I live, it is still very hot, so I'm looking for fall colors and things like that that I can wear to work. So let's get into my box to see what I got for the month. So right on top is the prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways, and so you're going to use this envelope to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges. You're also going to have a white envelope, and inside that white envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 49 for me. Also inside the white envelope is the Oh Hello card, and this is going to be a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. And so I'm going to read my note from my stylist real quick. September days are here, Jennifer. With the best of summer weather and the cheer and beauty of autumn, are you enjoying back to school season? I can't express enough how much I value everything you do as a teacher. Round of applause. As you mentioned, you are ready for the transition, but those summer temps linger. So I love the colorful tops you chose to help make the transition. Not only that, but they are fun and unique, perfect for you. I was hoping you'd gravitate towards the Carin blouse. I actually think you'll love this with the blue cardigan from your January fix. It will allow the blue floral pattern to pop, and I added in classic brown trousers by your favorite brand, Tribal. You don't have this color, and you'll be pleasantly surprised how it looks with all of your tops today, as well as the cozy hooded cardigan. Enjoy, Cara. And so here's my bundle, and there are the brown pants that she mentioned and the cardigan. So let's get into it. So the first item is by 41 Hawthorne, the Tiffany Tulip sleeve blouse in off-white. And so it's this really pretty floral pattern. I love the colors in it. It has like some pink and some mauve and some kind of like, I guess that would be almost like a burgundy, but it also has some brown in it. Get up close so you can see the pattern there. So I just thought this was really pretty for fall. It has a cute little ruffle detail at the top. It has a little tulip sleeves on the arm. It's just a cute polyester blouse that I can wear to work. All right, guys, next up is by Mason & Belle, the Tempesta lace detail tank in purple. When I saw this in my fix preview, I just thought the purple was really pretty for fall. It has that really pretty lace detail at the top. The colors are kind of like I guess like a peachy pink. It's got some black, it's got some white or cream in there. I thought this would pair nicely with a pair of black pants. The back has that kind of lacy detail at the top. I just really like the colors of this for fall. And next is the Carin blouse that she mentioned by Rainn, the Carin sleeveless blouse in tan. And so here's what that looks like. Kind of a brownish tan. It's a little bit darker than just tan, but it has the blue floral print and some beige coloring there. She mentioned putting it with the blue cardigan that I got back in January. I think it would pair well with like navy blue pants. And then my stylist knows that I love the Tribal brand of pants for work, and so she sent me another pair of those. So these are the Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in brown in size 10. Now normally I have to size down, so we'll see about that. They're just a good work pant, and I really love the brown color for fall, so I think that'll be good. Just a straight trouser. It will be cropped on me, which is still really good for this time of year for us. We stay really hot through October. So I like to do a lot of layering with like cardigans and things like that. And so she did send me a cardigan. She sent me by LETY and Me the Tayla hooded recycled cardigan in beige. And I do not have a beige cardigan. Kind of a heavier cardigan, but it's just this really nice beige color. It does have some details going throughout. It's textured. It's got some kind of openings throughout it. It does have like a little rolled cuff right there. I don't have any hooded cardigans. So I think that could be, you know, made to be a little bit more casual, but I could also wear it to work. It does have pockets on the side, and it does have a slit on each side. So that is definitely something that I think I could use in my wardrobe. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the 41 Hawthorne Tiffany Tulip Sleeve Blouse. And then on bottom, I have the Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in brown. So let's start with the top. It has a cute little split neck here. It does have some ruffled details around the top right here. Has the cute tulip sleeve right there. I love the colors in the top for fall. It has like kind of a, almost like a burgundy or a darker pink, and then a lighter pink, and then some brown. So I'm going to get up close so you can see the print. I think this top pairs well with these brown pants because it has the pops of brown throughout the floral print. This is a perfect outfit for me since it's still really hot where I live. Now I do need to size down in my pants because they're a little bit big. Tribal runs a little bit big, so I always size down. So hopefully I can exchange them, but I really love this brown color for fall. All right, guys, I'm going to try the next top on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the third item, and this is Mason and Belle, the Tempesta Lace Detail Tank in purple. And so I really love the colors in this top for fall. I'm going to get up close so you can see the floral print, but it has like a peach and a cream. It has some black or dark gray. And she did tell me to put it with the brown pants, which I do think they match, but I would probably pair it with black pants instead or a dark gray. It has this really pretty lace detail at the top. I like that it has like the little V right here. I just really love this top for fall. And it does come down long enough in the front, and it does cover my bottom a little bit more in the back, which I do like. She did suggest putting that cardigan with this one, and I didn't do it for the last top because that last top was more of like a lighter white color. So I'm going to try it with this top real quick. All right, guys, here is the cardigan. It is by LETY and Me, the Tayla hooded recycled cardigan in beige. The sleeve length is really good for me. I do like the neutral color. Has pockets. It is a little bit longer. Does have the slit on the side. And I do think the color matches with this top. Has the hood in the back. All right, guys, you tell me what you think about this outfit. I'm gonna try the next top on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, last item, which is by Rainn, the Carin Sleeveless Blouse in tan. And so it's kind of a brownish tan. I consider this to be more like a light tan or a beige color here. It has this detail at the top, what you call that like smocking. Get up close so you can see. Has like a split neck. It does come down a little bit low, so I definitely would wear a cami underneath of it. It is a polyester material. I do love the colors in the floral print. Get up close so you can see that. So it has like a navy blue, kind of a beigeish color. It's just a really pretty top for fall. It comes down about right here. Has a slit on the sides, and it does come longer in the back. I wasn't sure about pairing it with the brown pants, but I really do think the two actually go pretty well together. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try that cardigan on like she suggested. And so here it is with the cardigan. I do think that this beige cardigan goes well with the beige in the top. At first I was really thinking I would want to pair this with like navy, but I really think I like the brown pants with it. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and overall I think this was a great fall transition fix, but you tell me what you think. First off on my list is Mason & Belle, the Tempesta Lace Detail Tank in purple. And the cost of this top is $44. I really just love these colors for fall. Now, I did pair it with the dark brown pants like she suggested, but I think I would probably pair it with black or a dark gray, and I think that would work really well too. So overall, I really like this top. Next on the list is by Rainn, the Carin Sleeveless Blouse in tan, and the cost of this is $58, and that was this top right here. I really like these colors for fall. I was pleasantly surprised how well this paired with the dark brown pants, but I do think you could do a navy as well with this top. And then the cardigan paired nicely with this top because of the beige pops of color in the floral print. So I like that one as well. The next item on the list is by Tribal. It's the Fia Straight Trouser in brown, size 10, and these are $58. I love these pants. I have them in multiple colors. I don't have brown, but I always have to size down. So I do think I'm gonna try to exchange these for a smaller size. Then I have the Letty and Me Tayla Hooded Recycled Cardigan in beige, and this is $54. Now this is not a lightweight cardigan. I like the neutral color. I like the little details of the texture. I think the hood makes it able to be dressed up or dressed down, so I really like this cardigan. And last on the list is by 41 Hawthorne, the Tiffany Tulip Sleeve Blouse in off-white, and this one was $58. I really think this top paired well with the dark brown pants because of the brown colors and the leaves and things like that. So I think this is great for transitioning into fall. So I didn't pair this top with the cardigan because this top is more white than beige. But I do think the cardigan looked really nice with the other two tops in this fix. So my stylist pick subtotal is $272. If I buy all 5, I get that 25% discount, which would take off $68. That would leave me with an order subtotal of $204. I don't get the $20 styling fee off because I have the style pass, and so my order total would be $204, which I don't think is bad for these 5 items. All right, guys, what do you think? Do you think this is a 5 for $5 box? I'm leaning towards keeping everything as long as I can exchange those brown pants. What was your favorite item from my fix? Let me know down in the comment section below. I am gonna leave my referral link in the description box below. It's been good for $50, and so if that's still active, I'll put it in the description box below, and if it's not active, I'll put the $25 referral link in the description box below. That $50 referral link is going to waive your styling fee, so you're not going to have to pay anything up front when you get your box. And then if you decide to keep anything in your box, that $50 goes towards anything that you decide to keep. Stitch Fix is super convenient. I love that shipping is free both ways. I love that you only pay for what you keep. I just find the service to be really convenient for me. If you have any questions for me, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.